everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers Friday product review day. This one will be quick. Himimi sent this bamboo storage organizer for plastic wrap, foil, parchment paper, anything that fits on a roll, mostly kitchen items. Obviously you can use this in your shop if you're needing to wrap up some things in there too. I appreciate them sending it to me. It's made out of bamboo. Actually fits in your drawer, and I'll show that to y'all. The zipper's on here. Got the little plastic on the outside. You can see that there is some play in them. I'm sure they're going to work just fine. Paying about 30 bucks for this, so keep that in mind. All you got to do is slide this thing up in order to get the pieces of paper in, your rolls of aluminum foil and stuff, and in order to get the rods off, you just slide it up and out, and then get them out just like that. All right, so that's what this does, and I want to thank Himimi for sending this. Good, useful kitchen appliance or item if you need it. Got a place where you can mount stuff in the back too. So we'll put some foil in this thing and show you how it works. Alright guys, so we've got this. I'll show you in action. Just got to slide the top piece off. Instructions are pretty self-explanatory. Comes with labels, drywall, things and that nature. If you do want to hang it on the wall, take these out right here. And I do want to mention that you need to get the regular width stuff, because if you get the really wide stuff, it will not fit in this box. It will fit in the drawer though. Again, if you have a wide enough drawer, it may fit width-wise too. I'm not sure, but so it'll fit inside a drawer. Help keep the number of boxes and stuff down in here. So what you can do is just take off these rods. Take your plastic wrap, which we have plenty of around here right now. Slide it in just like so. And we'll go all the way to we'll go right here to start. And there you go. So you can load her up. Foil wrap. It's a little bit, thing is a little tricky to get in. There we go. It's not too bad. And got another thing of plastic wrap here. Parchment paper's too big, so we'll throw this in as well. The real question is, over or under? Most people are over, right? So just hook that in there. Slide this back on. Gotta make sure all your foil and stuff is down. You got enough of a spot in order to get the plastic wrap or whatever to pull out. That little spot in the middle for your hands. And then you could either, there's your zipper. Just pull it out. Again, it's gonna lock into place down here too if I get the foil wrap right to where it's not at the bottom. So it kind of slides into place like so. And you just pull it out. You can have whatever on top. And then we're going to take the zipper here, make sure it's nice and make sure you've got a nice tight grip on it, otherwise it's just like whenever you do foil wrap, it's not going to come out very easily. Cut's fine. And you pull it, wrap it up, Boom, you're done. Let's try aluminum foil real quick. You ain't got enough of an area to get under here. Once you get it pulled out, everything kind of straightens itself out. So this does like to come up and down, so it wouldn't as long as you have it hung on the wall or something along those lines. But you may be struggling with that if you're not careful. Again, if you can get it kind of locked in down at the bottom, then you'll be doing pretty good. There you go. So that's a little bit better. Still doesn't want to stay, so that's one of the downfalls of this, I suppose. So let's get the zipper under the foil. Make sure you pull it tight. We're just going to cut it. Boom. Fairly easy, guys. Nothing crazy. Nothing ridiculous. Pretty straightforward. Pretty simple. So, again, parchment paper, foil wrap, plastic wrap. Use it to wrap whatever you want to, whether it's fruits, vegetables, mower parts, whatever. Makes it a little bit easier. So let's wrap this video up. Alright guys, so my wife pointed out that I just made a pun when I said wrap this video up. But the link is in the description below. Pretty useful product. Depends on if you think it's worth the cost and convenience versus just using the regular package that these things come in. It makes it a little bit easier, especially with the slide zipper. So thank y'all for watching this product review. Again, you can hang it on the wall, lay it on the counter, do whatever you need to, put it in the drawer. And seems to work pretty good. So thanks Himimi for sending it. Thank y'all for watching. If you are a company that would like for me to review your products, if it's lawn and garden related or home related, feel free to reach out to me, Ellis at ellismowers.com or at ellismowers09 on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. See you then.